Why do we have to walk this far just to get to the resort Saul? Well, that's because it's a fancy resort, Mira.
Here we come.
We want the best room, top floor, perfect view, and absolutely no noise. Oh, and super private, please. I know this isn't much, but please, I need the cheapest room.
I'm sorry, ma'am. We only have one left, and it's quite old.
I wonder what Rumi's room will be like. An empty room, perhaps? If she's lucky, she'll have a heater. Ha! It's not that bad. At least the room looks warm. And I'll have a place to stay for the night.
Good morning, ladies. May I interest you in a delightful dinner this evening?
We would be absolutely thrilled. Yes, thank you so much. I wish I didn't have to be alone tonight.
And here are the high-end shirt models, limited edition just for our VIP customers.
Oh, they're exquisite. I adore them.
This is the cheapest shirt in our store.
Thank you. I only need it to be warm. Rumi, no wonder you're cold. That jacket should have been retired years ago. Isn't this weather amazing for skiing? It's perfect. How about a bet on who gets the first run? Loser buys hot chocolate. You're on. Take that. Got her. Let's go. Bye. Oh. That's not fair. Why would you do that? Rumi should realize she doesn't belong here. Yes, she should leave. No. It's getting closer. We're not gonna make it. Faster! I can't move. Just ski. Don't look back. Hold on. I'm coming for you. Hold tight. Mira, Zoey, can you hear me? I have to get you back to the resort right now.
What happened? How did we get back here?
When I was half awake.
We're so sorry. You still saved us even after everything we did. We're friends. This is the best day ever. I love skiing with my best friends. Me too. It's moments like this I'll remember forever.
You have to try this cantaloupe. It's so ripe.
It's perfect.
Let's take this shoulder in slightly. And cinch the waist here. Excellent. The fit is immaculate.
I still can't believe we're here. Best vacation ever. Cheers to that.
Cheers to us, to the future.
This golden hour lasts all night.
No, I'm not interested. Please leave me alone.
What is the meaning of this?
Long road, heavy feet, same dream but harder reach. We've been running night and day, still not there. Where we stay, no cheers loud, lights stay low. Progress moves, but we don't know. Even when the spark feels gone, we hold on, we move on. Look around, we're still here. Every doubt, every fear, not done yet, not today. Dude up, Gianna, we'll be okay.
This is the most incredible feeling. Look at the ocean.
Your voice pulls me back, reminds me why we started that. Not about who's ahead, it's about who stays when it's dead. And rest and rise
Not what I
again.
signed up
That's
for.
how
I never
real
said it
teams
would be
win.
easy, but you made it impossible.
Whose fault is that?
Yours.
It's
so quiet now. The silence is loud, isn't it? It screams your name.
I miss those days. It hurts so much. I can't breathe. I'm so glad we could finally do this.
Me too. It's been a while.
I just need to be okay. It's been just a lot.
You're just being silly.
Am I? I think you like it.
Maybe a little bit.
The result confirms your pregnancy.
I am going to have a baby. Oh my gosh.
I can't believe you would say that after everything we've been through. I want to know exactly what went wrong. There will be no excuses.
Stay low. Is it clear? Almost.
Oh my god. There's someone. I heard it. He's inside.
Is someone there? I hear something.
What do you think about this one, Jinu? I like it. It looks good on you.
Just a little bit more. You're doing so well.
Good. What about you?
I'm fine.
Another day. Another moment in this quiet house.
Oh, look at this one.
Don't let me catch you.
Too late.
Naughty one.
I love this. Oh my goodness. It's real.
The fetus is still alive. Urgent monitoring is required.
Wow, these flowers are breathtaking.
They really are, Mira. There it is. The camera angle. Changed. Not just a glitch. Something else.
It's a peaceful day today, isn't it, my love? Just rest here with me. We'll be fine.
Look at you, all smug and charming.
Oh, really? Is that how you see me then?
Always, always.
Listen to me. They'll never see it coming.
This project represents a pivotal moment in our expansion. Our strategy is built on a comprehensive market analysis, showing a consistent upward trend.
I suppose I was too focused on the potential upside and overlooked the clear warning signs. The market had been signaling a shift for weeks. This drive contains the irrefutable evidence implicating his involvement. Every piece has been meticulously documented and verified.
There's no way out!
What do we do now? I wish we could do this all the time.
We can always make time for this.